Hello everyone, my name is Atena and thank you for joining me for today's special mega lesson. In today's lesson, I'm going to continue our journey from the previous video where we learned 10 advanced verbs. If you missed part 1, don't worry, the link to part 1 is in the description below and in the card above here. We want our hotel guests to be satisfied. We can change things to make them happy. We can accommodate them. Accommodate. When we accommodate someone, we make change to make them happy. We give them what they need. The theater tried to accommodate wheelchair users by providing a designated sitting area and ramps. Restaurant. We are happy to accommodate our vegetarian guests. We can make a new menu for them. Kerry didn't feel confident about her presentation. I gave her lots of reasons why she should be confident. I reassure her. Reassure. When we reassure someone, we tell them things to make them feel comfortable, to make them feel confident, usually because they are nervous. The doctor reassures the patient that the operation would be painless and successful. After the storm, the parents reassured their children that they were safe. It is so cold. I'm shaking quickly and uncontrollably. I'm shivering. Shiver. When we shiver, we shake quickly and we can't control it because we are scared or cold. Even though he had a thick blanket, he still shivered in the chilly room. We can deal with this problem quickly and effectively. We can tackle this problem. Tackle. When we tackle a problem, we don't wait. We don't procrastinate. We try to find a solution quickly. She needed to tackle her fear of public speaking by practicing in front of a small group first. The little girl hugged her doll for a long time because she loves it. She cuddled her doll. Cuddle. When we cuddle someone or something, we hug it for a long period. It's a way of showing affection. After a long day at work, I left to cuddle my dog on the couch. We cuddled in bed and watched a movie. I think I explained everything. Is there anything extra someone wants to say that I didn't say? Is there anything someone wants to add? When we add something, we provide something extra that wasn't there before. To improve her essay, she needed to add a few more examples to support her argument. You might want to add some salt. The soup is pretty plain. I went to my friend's house to make her feel better because she was sad. To console her. Console. When we console someone, we make someone feel better because they are sad. We often give them sympathy. And what stress is really important. The verb is console. You console someone. Don't confuse this with a games console, like an Xbox. A games console. That is like the device you use to play games. So, what stress is really important? He tried to console his disappointed son by promising to take him to an amusement park. We're almost done. There is a job opening in the restaurant I work at. I know you're looking for a job. What things do I need to do in this job? What does this job involve? Involve. When something involves something, this means it's part of it. You need to do this part well. The job involves taking orders and answering the phone. Luke's house is amazing. Yeah, he didn't buy it himself. After his dad died, he received it. He inherited it. Inherit. When we inherit something, we receive something after a family member dies, like a house or money. Rebecca was surprised to learn that she inherited the family home. Helena inherited her father's height and her mother's green eyes. So you can see in the second example, we don't just inherit something after someone dies. We can also inherit genetic traits. Last one. My boss really trusts me. We're pretty close actually. She often tells me about her personal problems, innermost feelings, and secrets. She confides in me. Confide. When we confide in someone, we tell that person really personal things because we trust that person. He confided in a therapist about the anxiety he had been experiencing at work. Thank you for watching this lesson, and you will be able to see the rest of this amazing lesson in part 3 in the next video. If you found this useful, please subscribe and give this thumbs up. Best of luck with your English studies. Bye!